So I've had this vacuum a while, and I didn't want to post a video review until I got a good idea about everything. First of all, the brush roll, I've never cleaned it since I got it. And with the other vacuum that I had, a Shark, which I hated, that was bagless, it would fill up immediately. I enjoy the length of the cord. It goes quite a ways. The pink color doesn't bother me. And it's just really easy to use. The wand releases quickly, one hand, up down below and up here. And then it's time for me to change the bags, so I thought I would review that, see how that worked for me. So it's just as easy as that, and open up the garbage here. There we go, it's empty. That was pretty simple. So I do have another bag. And it looks like I should be able to just slip it in here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oops. This might not work. Moment. So I pushed that back down into place, and now I'm pushing it in. There we go. Insert until you hear it click. There we go. It appears to be ready to use. So again, that was super simple. There's no mess, and I would recommend this vacuum to anybody. Thanks.